The main thing I came in for was neck tightness, neck pain. I couldn't even sit as a passenger as a car anymore. I was wearing a cervical collar for support, and I was sleeping okay. The only thing that was good was I was sleeping all right. Otherwise, I was having major, major pain, and it was not going away. And I was trying topical solutions and things like that, and it just was not going away. So I was looking for results, and I knew what results I was looking for, and I knew what type of care I thought I was looking for as well. My name is Mary Bassler. I am from Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin. Before I came to the consultation, I had seen 9 different chiropractors in over a span of about 30 years. And I wasn't getting the results I was looking for. So we saw the commercial, got to the Midwest Pain Solutions, and the consultation with Dr. Jackson is what kicked off everything for me. It was really more a scar tissue from existing injuries that I didn't know I had. And in talking through the process, through the consultation of the process, I realized that part of the process was what I really needed. So it wasn't needing surgery, it was a result of previous injuries that I never had decent therapy for. When we started the actual treatments, we were coming here twice a week, and between Dr. Jackson and Dr. Kurt, they pretty much said at the end of that summer, I started in June, and by the end of that summer that they would have me in at least 80% better condition. And I truly was. I couldn't believe it. I waited 32 years to get to those 3 months worth of effectiveness. And I was really amazed. I almost take it for granted now after treatments because I feel that good. I have to remember that I actually felt that bad. I don't have any flashbacks. I don't have any signs. I don't have any pains or weakness or anything. And according to the seminar, that's to the laser's advantage. The laser then keeps you in the position, or it keeps your nerves and everything in the place they need to be. And I just feel like my whole reason I was here is completely gone. I am 100%. And I'm on a maintenance program now because I don't want to lose that. So I still want to be at 100%, if not better. My expectations started out low because I was in very much pain. I was on a scale of 1 to 10, I was 9. And I was a little down because I heard it was a chiropractor. And I thought, oh no, I've been to 8 or 9 of those, not again. But when I heard about the process, first of all, he started with x-rays. It's very important to me to see what they're working with, because in x-ray you see what you're working with, not just thinking or feeling it out. So the x-rays were important. Then we went to the consultation where he asked history. How'd you get this way? How'd you get to the way you feel? And that was very important to me. So just getting to that point and knowing what he was in for, I think is where he knew to start. So my expectations were low in the beginning. After the first 3 or 4 treatments, my expectations exceeded everything. I waited way too long to find a good result. Don't wait. If you have anything that you think can be fixed, and for sure without surgery or any kind of invasive surgeries or outpatients or anything like that, at least check out Midwest Pain Solutions. You need to at least go to the consultation, and they will tell you if they can help you or not. They don't do surgeries, they do after surgeries, and they're amazing at it. Dr. Kurt even says, if you've got surgery or scar tissues or issues from after surgery, that's where they would step in and take it from there on. My husband and I are very much into wellness. We like to think we're very fit. We do a lot of athletic things, biking, skiing, things like that. We don't really want to spend any downtime being injured or having after injury effects. So this is very important for us to keep our health up. It's very important to our immune systems. Today's age, with things going on in the systems, in the societies, I think it's helped a lot as far as keeping your immune systems and everything working functionally. We look forward to going to Midwest Pain Solutions. Right now we are patients for once a month, and it's the best trip to come from. We travel 3 hours away from Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin, and we think nothing of the trip. It is so worth it, and we get the best results we've ever had in 30 some years. So we will travel this far. There's a lot of people that certainly don't travel this far, and it's absolutely worth it. Midwest Pain Solutions is the place to go for anything short-term, anything long-term. They have solutions. The bottom line in a nutshell is you are able to decrease pain, you're able to increase your functionality, and you're absolutely able to restore life.